Good morning, cyber traders. Happy Monday, 9 o'clock this morning, 30 minutes until the first day of the month of trading. Today is the 3rd. February is in the books. It's the past, and it is an exciting Monday morning. Did everyone get my post I did this morning regarding about the Trump tweet over the weekend? Did everybody see what happened? The Trump tweet? Let me bring it up really quick. It was under my stories. And let me just bring this up. Do I have the link up there, Rich? And Josh? I think one of you guys have it up there. Oh, logged in. Nope, I don't have it here. I gotta log back into it. But anyway, I don't know if everyone saw the news this morning. Yeah, about the crypto. So basically, they're gonna have this big crypto conference at the White House on actually I have it on my phone. I have a picture of it right here. Let me show it to you guys. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you see that right there? There's a big tweet right there. So basically it says U.S. Crypto Reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on the digital assets direct to the president working group to move forward on a crypto strategic reserve that includes XRP, SOL, and ADA. It will make sure the U.S. and the crypto capital world, we are making America great again. So anyway, that one tweet ran Bitcoin over $8,000. So we're looking at IBIT right now, and you could see IBIT. I just want to bring this up really quick over here on the bottom. Do I still have it? No. Okay, so here's level 4. Let me just bring this up so you guys could see it over here a little bit better. And let me change it here so you guys can watch a little better on YouTube. So you can't see it now, but if you remember, actually, on my YouTube shorts and everything, I posted there was the 1,200 Bitcoin buy around, was it 87, right? So, and, I'm like, oh my God, I haven't seen that big of a buy since I saw a big seller right around the 105, 110. Now, now understand something. IBIT and all the other MRXT, all those other stocks, all trade due to what's happening with Bitcoin. So that's the reason why. But it caused the stock to make a big run. And I thought something was up when I saw that big order out there. And I did post up that video of that big iceberg order. So if you did not watch that iceberg order that I showed you on Thursday and Friday, go there, like it, leave a comment, write in the comment the word coin, and I'll even give you a second video that will come up that will educate you a little bit more about it. So if you're watching on YouTube and Facebook, make sure you go out there, or Instagram, or wherever you're watching, X or whatever. Make sure you look at the video, like it, leave a comment. I think I said write the word coin. I'll give you a second video that will come up with it. But definitely huge news. I don't even think Josh or anyone here has seen. I don't think I've ever seen Bitcoin up. I mean, maybe we did up that much. That's a 10% move in one day on that tweet. Okay, just on that tweet. Now, I told you this before. This president is not like any other president. I don't care if you like him or hate him. As a trader, okay, we don't take any personal attacks on their policies, because their policies affect our business. Our business is the trading business, okay? What they say affects the stocks. And if he said out there, let me say, if Biden was there and says, I'm eliminating, Bitcoin from the United States, right? If he sent a tweet like that and you were long, what do you think is going to happen to the price of that stock in Bitcoin or IBIT, right? It probably dropped to like maybe 5,000, right? Now, you as a trader, if you owned it, you don't want that to happen as much as you love Biden and everything else. But if he went out there and did that, it would destroy your, personal, income as much as you were for it. You got affected. So traders, you got to keep in mind, we are the same party, and we got to take it, especially this president, which is very unpredictable on what he says, but he does execute what he does say. And if he does say it, you better be listening, because it will affect the stocks, because you don't want to be on the wrong side. All right. So anyway, this stock is obviously on the watch list. You got IBIT doing great. You have, what do you have? A lot of them stocks are doing pretty well. Now, we're doing good on our swing trades. We will talk a little about those too. They obviously made a nice little comeback, but there are a lot of stocks out here that did pretty well. Palantir obviously making a little bit of a comeback. You can see a lot of these stocks, it's a major support levels. Archer hit a major support level, bounced back nicely. ARRK, big support levels, bounced over there. I did go long the video, and we did get a little bit of a bounce on the video. We did talk about that on Friday, and I finally went long it because we were at big support levels right around here. So I know who here got it, but if you did get it right around the 117 to 120, you did pretty well on that. There was some big buys. So remember, I was 80% cash on Monday, but on Tuesday, I am at like, I think I'm at like 5% cash. So I went all in a lot of these stocks because they came down so fast. So remember, as a day trader, 1 minute you could see something you like, and the next minute you're like, holy shit, these things really came down a lot. I made support levels. This is probably a good opportunity. You know what? If it breaks this major support, I'll get out of it. But that news, getting back to that news on Bitcoin, was unbelievable. Here's another one. Obviously, BTCT was another one that did pretty well. MSTX. I own that one, actually. I did buy that one. That's the MXTR. This is the ETF for it. So I'm really psyched on that one. That one's doing great. So yeah, that one I got in. You could see it right here. This stock took a huge hit, was at major support levels, and I owned it. I owned it at 40, and I'm glad I got out of it. But I got it right here around the 21. I'm doing great, making 10 points on that one. I'm killing it on that stock. But remember, every one of these stocks, we did post it on our alert service. Okay, some of you did ask me about that. I say, Fausto, you posted on the alerts. And if you are watching on social media, if you're not plugged into our X or Telegram, so please subscribe to it because this is what it is. Remember, day trading, what happens over the course of the day will trickle into a swing trade, into an investment, and most importantly, which a lot of you do come from, into an option. All right. So anyway, all these stocks are doing awesome. There are a couple of more stocks I want to post up here. The ACON was a stock that was good on Friday. You could see it had a really nice pop from $3 to $5. She's up again this morning. This stock right here got destroyed. Okay. So I love stocks like this that get killed. So this stock was at the $140 price range. It dropped all the way down, got hammered to the $2, which is a huge catastrophe. Can it be another FTAI? Remember, we traded that one. We did great with FTAI. Big bounce, 180, dropped down to $80, came back. It looks like it's doing it, and it looks like it could be a consistent. So, positioning in a nice little swing trade on this stock. From the looks of it, looks pretty good. A couple other stocks I want to point out. There's a warrant. This is actually moving up pretty well right here. The GRRR, it's up about 26%. Nice little push. One only problem with it, big spread, ugly stock. Now today, just remind everyone, we have phase 3 that's going on today. So we will be talking about a lot of these stocks, why to trade them, not trade them. Remember, half the people fail in trading by trading stocks that are not tradable. So remember, this is where you get to the category 4, category 5. If you are in that category, you're doing pretty, it's definitely up your alley. All these stocks too, all these Bitcoin stocks, BTCT, MSTR. Well, you got X. I like the X better because it's more, within your price range. Put that all on your watch list. Tesla is moving also pretty good, but we're not going to trade Tesla. Remember, we would trade TSLL, but I will put Tesla. Tesla's took a really big hit, up down about $200. But you could see TSLL right here. Its stock went from 40 almost down to the lows, about $12. Big support levels right around here, starting to go up. Another nice little stock right there. Mara's moving up pretty good. That was a stock that we did talk about on Thursday and Friday. News did come out on Mara. Mara did pretty well, $12 up to 16. Another nice little move. These are all the Bitcoin minings. All right. And I think that pretty much does it. Don't want to get too crazy on the picks over here on the watch list in the morning. What to watch. And losers, didn't really see anything that got super crushed over the weekend. Here's the other one, MSTU. There's another ETF of MSTR. Okay. MSTX, all of them. You could see it. Another very, very high ETF on that one too. Arlo, you're going to see a lot of these stocks are all Bitcoin stocks. BTCL, BITU. These are all of them. BITU, they all look pretty good right here. BITX. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So, you know what? It's so funny. I want to bring this up. So I got messaged on my Instagram, and somebody wrote me this really like nasty, not on me personally, but just a nasty thing about Bitcoin in general. And I just want to, and what's nice, I love to read those things because it kind of, number one, educates me that some people are not that well in tune about how the market works. Now, as some of you know, I was never, ever, ever a fan of Bitcoin at all. I just thought like this guy thought too. But I did say this, when the moment came where BlackRock and they started coming out with ETFs and options on it, it's not going anywhere. It's not going. The exchanges make so much money on ETFs. Why do you think brokerage firms give you free tickets? Okay, these exchanges, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all of them, CBOE, they make most of their money on these ETFs. Companies going public, but they can't go public anymore. So now they just make ETFs. So it's another way of getting around, bringing more companies to the public to go public. So they're not going anywhere. And when that happens, I told you that 2 years ago. If you watch my video that I did when I was at the NASDAQ Center, it was back in November. Okay. Go back and watch that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I said it then, and I'm saying again, when they do that, this is here forever. So here, getting back to that with that person, that comment that he wrote, that one little comment just showed you that, and this was my argument that I told the guy, you really think it's a scam? You really think it's bullshit? Okay, that's fine. Short it. Because if you are so right and believe in it, you can run that stock 90,000 points. Okay. Now, I don't know here would love to short a stock at 90,000 to go to zero, right? That'd be great. That'd probably be the greatest short in the history of the stock market or trading market. Just short it. That's my argument. So I told him, I said, if you really think so, you're probably onto something. You can make a fortune like the people made the money going up. Well, guess what? That was 2 days ago when he posted that. And if he did short it when it was at 88,000, not looking too good today, if you know what I mean. See what I'm saying? So that's what separates us as professional traders. And that's why you're part of CyberTrading University. And that's why you're part of a student of ours. And that's why you guys come here every morning and listen to me on social media, because when you've been doing it for 35 years like me, and you've seen the worst of the worst of the worst, and you see some of the best of the best, this is how you treat it. So let's get back to the market, everybody. Class starts. We're going to start phase 3 in 15 minutes. So Josh and Rich will be taking care of that. Otherwise, some of you joining me. If you want to get into that class, message your education advisor, message in the room. Some of the guys will tell you how to get that link. Remember, you got to learn before you can earn. The classes are the best part. This is the last phase of phase 1, 2, and 3, where we're going to do live trading with me. So make sure you get prepared for that. I'll see you all in there. If you're watching on social media, very, very important. Okay. So just on the notes screen right here, we have the Cyber Expo that's starting on Wednesday and Thursday. So we got 10 of the best gurus in the industry. So please come out there. Make sure you register for that event. Traders Talk is going to be moved till tomorrow. Just to give you a heads up due to class and Rich is having Josh having a little issues with his computer right now, so he'll rather want to do it tomorrow. So we're going to move Traders Talk till tomorrow. You got phase 3. It's a busy week. And then our biggest event of the year is the Cyber Expo. So if you did not register yet, click on that link and get it, and make sure you subscribe to it. Rich, what is the just make sure you can post up the give me the link so I can post it into the social media to give everyone how to get there. Just want to get that too. Also, I think we had the link here, right? I could just copy and paste it. Kevin, oh, there it is. Okay, thank you very much. There we go. There's the link, everybody. Just click on that link and you'll get registered. Kevin on YouTube just wants me to check for something really quick on Hood. So yeah, Hood is obviously making a huge comeback on that one too. You could see Hood was a very, very good buy, and which owns a very large stake in Bitcoin, by the way. I don't know if you know that, but it was a really good buy when it took a big hit, came down to 46. That did really well. Reddit did really well. I bought Reddit, big at support, not obviously, you can see it's hovering right around here. That one's doing pretty well. And then what was the other one? Hims. Hims also took a very, very big hit from 70 down to 40. Got it right here, right these resistance levels. So Hims doing pretty well too. Also, there was some really good buy. I was not a fan what happened in the week before, but going into early to midweek last week, we did pretty well. So very excited about it. So anyway, let's get ready for the market open up. Let's get ready to start the new month here at CyberTrading University. New month starts here in the, what do we got? Is this damn it. So this is actually going to be a 4-week, and the last day to pay period is on a Monday, the 31st. That kind of sucks. All right. See you guys in class. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Trade safe, everyone. And for everybody on social media, take your phone. You got the little QR code at the top right-hand corner. If you want to come join us, we're here all day long in the trading room. Click on it, scan it. We'll see you in there. All right, guys. Good luck, everyone. Trade safe.